So now let's discuss about the typical layout of hydropower project. Typical layout of hydropower project. So this is the typical layout of. Now let's get started. First of all, we have to draw a river. Let's take an example. This is the maneuver of a river. And now let's draw a side intake. You can see here, this is the bell mouth type of intake. Okay, now in order to divert the water, we have to draw structure which is known as weir or dam. We can call it both way. Then the water is taken through a canal into a descending basin. It's descending basin, and this intake is known as side intake. Side intake. Okay, this intake is known as side intake. Now this is called canal. This is known as, we all know what is this, descending basin. Descending basin. Now after this, canal straightly goes into this is known as forebay. This is known as forebay, and the canal that joins the descending basin to forebay is known as feeder canal, and the former canal is known as approach canal. Okay, now after the forebay, there comes penstock. Let's say this is the alignment of penstock, and here's the powerhouse. Let's say, and look at this. Let's draw a turbine here. For example, and let's the water again. Now this is known as penstock, and the structure that we put in the bends of penstock are known as anchor blocks. Yeah. Now this structure is known as powerhouse, and the water from the powerhouse again is sent into the downstream river. This is known as tail race. Now this means this is the river. This part is the downstream part, and this part of the river is the upstream part. Okay, this is the typical layout of hydropower project that comprises of the side intake structures.